Friends, today we will see how to use the count function. Count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers and also numbers within the list of arguments. You use count to get the number of numeric entries in the range or array. Note that whereas a single error cell in a range causes the sum function to return an error, the same is ignored in the count function. We will see here on the screen there is a data which contains names, roll numbers, dates on which the test was conducted, then the test score and the remarks whether pass or fail. Now we will count the entries by using the count function and count a function. So here see what happens. Now in the B13 cell I put the formula for count function, that is equal to, every formula begins with equal sign, open parenthesis, count, C-O-U-N-T, then open parenthesis, then the values or cells to be counted. So it is beginning with B4 to B12. We have selected from B4 to B12 and we have to count how many entries are there. Close the parenthesis, enter, and you will see that it is showing 0 entries, but still there are the entries because there are the roll numbers and the roll numbers are containing text and the number. Now I use the count a formula. So here is equal to COUNT a, count a, open parenthesis, and then I select the cells from B4 to B12 and close the parenthesis and enter, and you will see that there are 9 entries. From this we can say that count doesn't count the text and count a counts everything, whether it is a text or whether it is a numerical entry. Friends, for count, now I copy down the formula to the other cells. So you will see that in the dates count is showing 9 entries, in test score it is showing 9 entries, and in remarks it is showing 0 entries because the remarks are texts that are not numerical entries, so count has not counted it. Even in the B column you see that the text is there, even though numerical entries are there, but it is a mixture of text and numerical entries, and therefore it has not counted and it is showing 0 entries. Now I drag down the formula of count a to the other cells and you will see what happens. Oh, dates it counted, test score entries it counted, and remarks entries also it counted. It means count a counts everything, whether it is mixed, whether there are dates, whether there are numerical entries, or whether there are text entries. So count a, that counts everything. So friends, you can use this count and count a function, depends on whether your data is numeric. Count counts only dates and numeric entries, and count a counts anything that is non-blank. But if there is anything is blank, suppose I leave this E9 cell blank, and it will show that there are 8 entries because it doesn't count the blank entries. Thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget the like button, click here, click share button, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and many more. Thank you very much.